What are you on the fence about when it comes to supersizing and growing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and Little Fox is sitting on the fence today to help us think about things in our business that we are undecided about or torn between. This idiom is an American idiom for the early 19th century. So it's been with us for a long time. It means, of course, to have a hard time deciding. It's a metaphor for literally sitting on the fence and not stepping on one side or the other, not making a decision or a choice. It's used often in politics. Imagine that. So-and-so is on the fence as to whether they're going to support this political candidate or not. We can be on the fence. I've been on the fence throughout a lot of different situations in my life. Should I get married? Should I stay single? Should I have kids? Should I not have kids? Should I change jobs? Should I change businesses? Should I go into different businesses and industries? Should I take different courses of study in college? I was one of those people that changed my majors and minds like a dozen times because I was interested in so many different things. And then I ended up graduating with 3 degrees, which, my family still teases me about. They're like, geez, make up your mind already, pick a degree. But I wanted to study different areas that I thought would help me to get my lifelong goals and objectives accomplished. And so I wanted to study manufacturing, I wanted to study management, and I wanted to study marketing. I will admit that my marketing degree was probably the least valuable piece of my education. Sorry, colleges I went to study marketing, because I also went to several colleges because I was on the fence about where I wanted to go to college and get my degrees. Anyway, so sometimes we have a harder time making decisions, and really being on the fence is all about committing to something and making a decision. So ask yourself today, what are some things as I'm growing and building and supersizing my business that I'm ambivalent about, that I'm torn, that I'm undecided? Because if we're undecided, we're not taking action toward creating what we want. Do you have a decision-making process or several decision-making tools in your personal toolbox and in your company's toolbox, your business, that everybody uses so that you're speaking a common language? It helps communication skills. It helps everybody have the same framework to make decisions and choices and know what components are necessary in order to make decisions and choices. Maybe you're not decided on your growth strategy or your growth plan. Maybe you're not decided on who you want to affiliate with. Maybe you're not decided on any area or some certain area or aspect of your business. And as long as you're waiting and not taking some action toward creating what you want, you're not getting the ultimate results that you could get. So I actually like this idiom. I think it's very visual, and things that are very visual help me to remind me. I can have a little picture of a fence, or I'll see a little picture of a fence. It will trigger to me that there's a decision that I've been putting off that I need to make. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.